Good evening, everyone. Naughty or nice, Disney's Hollywood Studios invite you to join us for our Holly Jolly Holiday Spectacular. Get ready for a rockin' good time and enjoy Jingle Bell Jingle BAM.
Jingle Bell Jingle BAM.
Season's greetings, everyone! Direct from Santa's Village, the North Pole Christmas Eve Command Center Coordinator, Maggie!
Hello, Disney's Hollywood Studios! Tonight we've got a special holiday transmission from the big guy himself, Santa Claus. And to make sure the site is holly jolly, I'm sending in our top prep and landing team, Lenny and Wayne. It's classified Kringle level 9, but Prep and Landing are an elite unit of elves who get houses around the world ready for the big guy's arrival. Their mission, get in, get out, never be noticed. Oh, Lenny! Wayne!
Wayne!
Right here, Jingle Bell.
All right, Jingle Bell.
Totally tinsel!
We are go for portraits.
Totally
Sir, you are
tinsel.
live in 3, 2, 1.
Wayne? Santa's not in his office.
Ah, great Garland. McGee!
I just tried his cell phone. No answer. Typical.
Hey, I know where to look. His cabinet of magic snow globes.
Yes, of course. Activating remote vault access now.
Yeah! We're bound to spot the big guy in one of his magic snow globes.
You know, a large bearded man in a bright red suit, he sure can blend in. Keep your eyes open, tree skirt.
Yep, this will be a first. I've never watched it.
Lanny, time to gear up. DBA, check. Grappling hook, check. Angel air gun,
Check.
sparkle ornament.
I've got extra. Oh no! Hey! Hello, Orlando.
Oh boy, you all right there, buddy?
I love you, Ray. You're so adorable.
Yes, I'm aware. Stay with me, Lanny.
Christmas is so sparkly. It just melts my heart.
Chestnuts roasting on the fire. Jack Frost nipping at the nose. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly.
Wix is your platform to perform on. And have yourself a merry little
Wait! Oh, I think I know where the big guy is. He's been kidnapped.
What? How? Where?
I saw him in my sparkle dream. There were woods, 3 naughty kids, and a green monster thing. Like a nightmare.
Before Christmas? Okay, so we need stealth
It's a
and
shame
speed.
about the rain.
This calls for Thrasher the Reindeer. Thrasher, good buddy, get us out of here. We're going in!
We disturbed the boogie said the struggle was at hand.
Get him, Lenny.
In the pear tree, we have rescued the big guy.
Happy to have you back, sir. We are live with Orlando.
It's thanks to Nanny and Wayne. They're the ones who saved Christmas and me, after all. But as long as family and friends are together, like here in Orlando, there will always be Christmas. Merry Christmas and happy holidays.
We should definitely have a party.
It's really not in the budget this time.
Ho, ho, go!
The magic never leaves you when you stay with the Disney Resorts Collection, following you along everywhere you go, making every moment special, even more surprising than your last, and bringing you extra time in any of the 4 theme parks every day. Book early and save up to 25% on rooms at select Disney Resort hotels. Why would you stay anywhere else?
Now, Disney storytelling and world-famous Disney service. Inspire something new.